Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Matt. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the successful solution method. It's a task-based program that you get paid to do simple tasks, maybe an hour out of the day. Now, so I'm going to show you the members area real quick. So for all new members, this is where you get started at. You're going to join the Facebook community first. And then step 2, you're going to register as an affiliate. Step 3, you're going to go ahead and start to increase your commissions. Pretty much you're going to get started. Step 4, you're going to claim your traffic package. Now with this, this is warm to hot traffic. It's people who are already interested in purchasing the program. Now a lot of people, what happens when they get started is they run into a lot of problems with getting traffic. That's the number one issue with most people when they get started. They either purchase solo ads from someone online or go to Udemy solo ads, which I do not recommend doing, because I was a victim of that as well too. Just purchasing ads and purchasing leads, and you don't get anywhere. Within the first 2 or 3 months, you quit. Now with this program, I've made $100 within the first 2 weeks, not even a month yet in this program. All right. Now, step 5, you're going to meet with your success coach. And the next step, you're going to join our Telegram group. Now, this just came out a couple days ago. Now, here you're going to download the Telegram app. One is for Android, and the other one is for your iPhone download. Now, I'm going to go into my back office. I made $100 already with this program, like I said, within the first 2 weeks. Then I'm going to go over to the Facebook group. And as you can see, it's a fairly active Facebook group. And more proof that people are making money with this program. If you scroll down, we have Trisha Smith. She earned $100 plus $250, so plus another $500 and another $100, all within 1 day. So $950 total in just 7 hours, doing nothing, no recruiting, no sponsoring. So we're gonna go down to the next example. So we had our webinar yesterday. So we have another example. Marlene, she made $120 just in 1 day. So we have my mentor. He made over let's see. We open that up, 150 there. Another $50, another $50, just all in 1 day. So this program is really going strong. So we have another one, Torsten Lawrence. He made $150 in one day. So this program is a really great program with a lot of people who have never made a dime online before that are being successful with this program. Now, if you have any more questions or are interested in joining the program, please click the link below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.